Yeah, so this is the continuation of yesterday's project. So I've fixed the I created it more user friendly. So I will list all the changes that I have made today. So previously the app had a single node that handled every question the same way. Now there are five nodes, a router that reads every question, send it to the right place. Analytical questions go to the code node. Chart requests go to the viz node. Memory questions go to memory node, and everything else goes to the question answer node. Every response shows a badge telling you exactly which node handled it. Previously, the AI only saw five sample rows and guessed the answer. Now it writes pandas code and run it on your real data. If the code fails, it automatically tries to fix it up to three times. Then it is explained in plain English. And we have automatic chart generation. Basically, there were earlier no charts at all. Now, if you ask for a chart, bar chart, histo, scatter plot, trend line, the AI writes the chart code and run it and render on live interactive plotting chart directly inside the chat bubble. Now we have previously every conversation started freshly with no memory. Now there are two layers, short-term memory that keep the last 8 messages context and long-term that automatically extract the key finding and store them. After every 10 turns, the older conversation is summarized so the AI never loses the context. Then we have added multi-file support. Previous only one file could be updated per session. Now you can upload multiple CSV and Excel at once and switch between them using a drop down. Then we have added a order suggested questions. Previously there were no suggestion. Now the moment you can upload a file, analyze it, and generate four relevant questions specific. Now we have added a column description. Previously they only knew the column name, but nothing about what they meant. Now you can type a description of each column in the sidebar. And we have enhanced the data panel. There were only basic 10 row preview. Now there are three types: preview showing up to 50 rows, stat showing full described statistics of every column, schema, null counts, unique, etc. And you can export. Also, we have added that previously there was no way to save conversation. Now, at the bottom sidebar, you can download the full question answer session, and now we have hosted it on the cloud platform. This is Trimlet.app. If I show you this is the production sales of market, and if I show you what is the total price by region, you can have a look at it. And if I show you show that trends in chart format, so it will generate a chart for it. So this was the update on the project.